Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are underneath the Ford Crown Victoria. It takes a, what is this, a 5/8? Let's make sure, to get this oil pan bolt off. I had to use the jack old school trick because this thing, I've never changed oil in this one, but the bolt is rusted. Anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna start letting this oil drain out of here. It is still kind of toasty out here too, so would advise to let the car cool off before getting started. Come on, there you go. All right. So yeah, we're gonna let that drain real quick and then we'll go from there. Don't have my gloves with me today, so I'm gonna have to use a napkin, try to improvise a little bit. Now I don't have a jack underneath the car, so it looks a little bit like the way it does. Nice if I had my extension. There we go. A couple little drops on the ground. All right, so just about got all the oil drained out of the car. Bolt, got to put this back in there. Yeah, this bolt looked like it hadn't been taken off in a long time, but the car had the sticker on the window where it was changed right before 110,000 miles. So now I have 111,000 miles. So I put about 5,000 miles on this oil that was in there. So I know it had been changed. And I also checked it. It was nice and clean when I first got the car. So we'll finish draining all this old oil out. And then we'll go back with the fresh oil. Yep. All right. So we're about to go ahead and put this drain plug back in. I believe we have gotten most of the oil out, so that's pretty good. Always hand tighten first. Do not use any power tools at all. All right. And do not over tighten the drain plug or the oil filter. Well, I dipped that in the oil, so I probably should move that out the way. Towel. You see my towel, buddy?
Towel.
The blue towel. Or is it over here in front of me? Never mind. I see it. Thank you, buddy. Let's go ahead and scoop this. It is full. Out the way. Trying not to make a mess. Now, if you put your car up on the ramps, of course, it'll be a little bit smoother, but for me, this is the simplest way at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe this area. Make sure we don't have any drips. All right, oil filter time. All right, so the white can that you see, that is our oil filter. So we got to get that taken off. All right, so this is the one we got at the parts store. I'll show you guys real quick. Plastic on it. Make sure you always rub a little oil around this part. Take the plastic off first, and on this rubber seal, rub some fresh oil on there. So that way when we get ready to remove it next time, it comes off easy. My towel, slowly turning this. Got the pan up under it to catch it.